Hello everybody, I'm back with a completed pages, I was going to say completed pages coloring haul. Because I do have a lot of coloring books I hauled over the last, since Mother's Day, but that was last year. And I haven't got around to showing you. But this is not a coloring book haul. This is a completed pages. I have been coloring. I just haven't been showing the pages I colored. Let's start with the buddy color that I did, and I completed it. And it's funny. Did I show y'all this? This is how far back we're going. Buddy color, and I love her to death for waiting on me. This we finished this, I think, was it November? Maybe November. And and it's in Angela Gonzalez's Happy Cats book. And this is the page we colored. I could not stand this. And now, all these months later, I'm looking back at it. It's not that bad. I guess sometimes you have to be removed from the project because it took me a lot to get this done. I mean, it took a lot. The background, I think I did a couple of times until I just took paint and covered it. And then I had to go back over it. But I'm going to insert her page in, and I'm going to try to do it here. If somebody could tell me, because I pulled it off her Instagram page. Her name is Gaga for Gluing. She's here on YouTube. I love how British say the lovely, the lovely Trudy. And Gaga for Gluing. She's here on YouTube, but she's mainly active on Instagram. So I'm going to link that below. But fantastic friend of mine that I've known Trudy for a long time here. In fact, I left to go on my hiatus. I didn't say anything to anybody. And when I came back a year and a half later, she was one of the first people in my comments welcoming me back. And I was just so thrilled and happy. So she's just a terrific person. Go follow her. Go check her out. But here's the page. But I hope she will want to do another page soon. You know, it's going to take me 500 years to do it, but that's what. Okay, there we go. So that was in Happy Cats, Sweet Colors by Angela Gonzalez. Now this is my, don't laugh at my Kirby Rosanes page. I was really proud of this. I have to do this. It's still not finished. I still have the trees and over here to do. My vision was this was some kind of forest fire or volcanic ash or whatever coming down. I don't know how it went that way, but this is how it is. And then I still have this side to do. But this is a almost completed page except for the trees and Kirby Rosanes. I forgot to tell what I used and everything. Again, this is unfinished, but the background is watercolor pencil, and I can't remember what they're called. I just bought them, and they came in, and yes, I ran and tested it on a Kirby Rosanes book. Yes, I did, but they're not near color because that's what's looking at me right now. And these aren't the pencils. I'm sure it was it was watercolor pencils, and where are they? For one, it was a little pack, and well, anyway, that's what this is. And then it's marker, and then on top is pencil prismas. What else? Acrylic paint. I think that's pretty much it. Because, again, it's unfinished. And then gel to add the ash that's coming down. And I think that's it. So, yeah. But I hope to soon get to the other side of this soon. There was a lot that went into this one. And here in Coco Wyo, Comfy Days, Cute and Comfy Coloring Book. That was for fall. And I didn't finish the one for Christmas. It was Christmassy. Yeah, I didn't finish that one, but that's in Cocoa Wild. Secret Garden. Secret by Johanna Basford. I just did one half. It's a WIP. It's incomplete. More optimal colors for me here. It's okay. It's not done. Matchstick Mouse. This, again, Trudy over there at Gogo for Coloring. She enabled me so much to get these books. She didn't say go get them, go get them, go get them, but she periodically will color in them. And so I went and ordered it. I went and I'm glad I did. I got his winter coloring book versus the Christmas one because I could work in this one a little longer. But yeah, thanks a lot, Trudy. No, I'm kidding. Trudy, the lovely Trudy. I just love how they, the Brits say the lovely and the oh, what is the other word? The fabulous. So the fabulous and lovely Trudy enabled me. So this is one of the drawings I finished. It looked better close up. Okay, there I showed. Well, it's not looking like it looks in person. It looks better in person. I hate that because sometimes when I'm looking at it in person, I say it doesn't look good. Then when I look through here, it does. And now it's vice versa. Well, anyway, I had a lot of fun doing this book was so much fun. I think I did one page after the other. I'm going to try to bring it up closer. It just was just so much fun. And I understand why she enjoys coloring in the Matchstick Mouse. And I think he has a whole series and I think two books that were on Kindle Unlimited, but I didn't get a chance to read them. But then they're children's books and I didn't get a chance to read anything over the Christmas break. But anyway, long story, because you're like, well, you could go back and read it now. No, because it was a trial for 3 months, and then I just let it go because I don't read like that anymore. But and that's $14. Oh, back to this. So that's Matchstick Mouse. I really enjoyed it. I will be going to get some more. I am obsessed, and I've started this one with Matchstick Mouse. Their coloring books. It's so fun to color in these coloring books. Great illustrator over there. So that's Matchstick Mouse. Now y'all know it no wrap up or whatever could be complete without me and my Black women winter scenes or Black women spring scenes, summer or whatever. And now that I'm I hope it isn't AI, but I think it is. And I'm going to complete all of the coloring books. But I just love these coloring books. Well, anyway, this is one that I started, didn't complete, not finished. And this is one that I started and didn't complete. I have a lot to still, finish up on. And then I think that completes my, just checking on me coloring. Some are the WIPs. I have been coloring. I've been coloring a lot. And there's a lot I want to work on this year. I want to really hone in on... there he is. I started on that one. I'm not done. It's a lot of coloring books I want to get to this year. I want to put myself on a band because they're pricey, but one I really want to get is Miss Rita Berman's. Yes, I'm a little jealous of everybody who was able to get that in other countries. It's not yet available in the United States, so we don't know when that's coming, but I am going to swoop that up. There's some I have my eye on, but I'm going to not get... I'm looking over here. Did I color in these books? I don't know. I colored more than just this, but it could be in another bag. So I'm going to wrap this up because I know I colored in more than just Happy Cats. I just adore this illustrator. But anyway, and then, oh my goodness, I just acquired one of his books, but it's in a short, something just fell in. And I acquired one of his at a discount, and I know he's probably like, what? But I was happy to find it. It'll be in a haul or something coming up. But I was happy to find a Kirby Rosanes book there. And have I colored in it already? No, I don't think I colored. No, I didn't color it. But one of the pages that was in here is in there. But anyway, I think it was the one with the apes. The monkeys. Monkeys. Well, anyway. Real quick, I'm going to let you know what materials I use, which each coloring page I completed or worked on. And this is... Did I show this again? Now, y'all can see this is marker. And then it's paint, I think. And then it's... what is this? This was something else, too. Some glitter. This is glitter. What do you call it? Mosh Podge glitter. I think over top of this. And so, I think I said what I used with this. Yeah, marker, paint, the washi, gel pen. And, where is that? I can't remember what this is to make that that little shine along here. Oh, please don't fall. Oh, glossy accents. That's what that is. Okay. And these, I think I just used my marker. See, it's not a Micki's Arts and Craft video unless something falls. This, I think, is... Okay, you can stop now. This, I think, is just pencil because I just started. Just all pencil. Oh, maybe a little bit of distress in the background. Distress ink in the background. So, yes. That's what I love about coloring. You use a lot. I like doing mixed media. I like doing things like that. You use up a lot of art products. It's pricey, but it's... I've had a lot of... like that glossy accent I've had for a while. This marker, I think just marker. And in here was pencil, Prisma and marker. Yeah, I think. Yeah, because I'm not quite finished yet. So it's pencils and marker. So, and this year I hope to get to a lot of my mixed media supplies, because I have a lot of old mixed media supplies that could, you know, get some good use in my coloring books and things of that nature. So that's all I wanted to come back and say. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Well, anyway, friends, I'd like to thank you so very much for watching. If you made it this far, you know how we do. Go down below and put a crayon emoji. You can wave at me. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.